In this video, let me show you how to listen to Deezer's offline. If you want to listen to your favorite songs even when you don't have internet connection on your phone, let me show you the way that you can download all of the songs that you like so that you can listen to them when you are even offline. So what you need to first of all do is head over to a particular playlist or an album that you're trying to download. I'm just going to head over to my playlist. So if you tap on your profile icon, you'll see the option called playlist. If you head over to the playlist, just open up a playlist that you would like to download. And right here, you'll see the option called download. Just tap on this download button and you can see the downloaded songs now have the green arrow on them. Now, even if I close up my Wi-Fi, I can still play these songs. So that's the way that you listen to Deezer's offline. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.